classes in my 1DOPE planner for my semester. So usually I take these and I'll use these as semesters. Typically there is every semester there's a new version of the planner, so I don't really use all of the folders, so that's why this one is clear. And I'm also using noteshelf 3, but I'm going to show you how I set up all my classes. So here are my classes for the next semester. I've got applied statistics, principle of macro, Black womanhood in literature, production and operations management, international business, and life, health, and employee benefit. But I'm going to show you the different ways that you can set up your note shelf. So you can either do it one of two ways. You can write your classes or your folders down. So with each folder, it's going to take you to another thing. And I'm going to show you how to keep this, like the header and all the pages the same. But you can click on each one and it'll take you to a different folder, same pages, but you can also add templates to it. But for now, I'm going to show you how I do this. So either you can do handwriting. So I could say, oh, that's too big. And you can change your font via the dots. So right here, I'm going to say applied statistics. And then I can also use the text box and then just write my next class. So I'm just gonna write macroeconomics because that's what it is. And what I'm also gonna do is change the font color. Okay, and then I can make the font bigger for the whole thing. I'll probably do a nice little 20. And just see how that works. Oh, I'll go a little bit higher. How big is this one? 34, so I'll go 34 for this one. And maybe just a nice 30. I think that's good. 27, 30. Yeah. Okay. And then I'll put it right here. And then that's how I usually do it. I keep it lined up by the corners. But through this, I can put all my classes, and then I'm going to stop here and add all my classes so I can show you how I copy and paste it to the other books. Okay, so now that I've gotten my whole book set up according to my classes, now I do only have 6 slots on my note shelf notebook. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this last class and I'm gonna add it. Let me just go to read only mode. I do like one thing about Note Shelf 3. Note Shelf, the other Note Shelf did not have the read only mode available like in the queue, and you can also change your toolbar and add in things that you want on your toolbar, which I find pretty cool. And you can also use all these in GoodNotes as well. It's pretty much the same, but you just use the textbook. If you want to use the text box option, just use the text box option. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my lasso and I'm gonna take all of this. I'm gonna copy it as well as take a screenshot, upload, and I'm gonna say copy. Oh no, I'm just gonna copy it. That way everything is just the way I need it. And I'm gonna go to macroeconomics, paste it, and just put it exactly where I need it to be. So usually what I do is I line up the top of it and then everything else kind of falls into place. So I'm gonna put it there, then I'm gonna press my Black Woman in Literature class, paste it, make sure everything is level in the middle, take that, and then I'm gonna do my next class, which it's pretty simple once you get it all together. And then my next class, or my next class. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Okay. So now everything is all good. All my books are together. They might be a little off, as you can see. She'll leave this one hold. There we go. Now everything should be pretty level. But yes, that's how I do my notebooks. As you can see, if you go to your toolbar, it says you can add emojis. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add emojis to my toolbar. I'm gonna look at it, and that way I can kind of also customize each of the books. So applied statistics, I might go to my emojis, put in something math or numbers related. So let's just go through. Let's go through the emojis. We'll go to signs. That's what I'm looking for. And I'll go maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Yeah. And then take it. And I'm gonna lasso it, resize it, and make it a little bigger. And I could do that for maybe this notebook, and then it'd be different for the next. You see what I'm saying? You can customize the outside. You can, I don't want this anymore. Maybe I can delete it. And then I could add my own little things. Maybe do some squigglies, some circles with like a pie graph. Or something, you know, add anything really to kind of decorate your notebook. I know in high school, that's one thing I love to do, being able to decorate and personalize the outside of your notebook so that you know which class it's for. So you can even do that with the Dope Planner, which is very cool. But yeah, that's my notebook for the spring semester. I hope you like it.